This is Trey Tracy with the Creased podcast, and we're back to show you another mail call. This shoe has been in the works for a little bit in the mail and everything, coming from Cali. I'm looking forward to showing it off, so let's get into it right now. Alright, so I think some of y'all might know what this is right out the gate. White box, which is uber fire. Stussy logo, yeah, you know what it is. So it's one of two things for sure, and I wish it was the second thing, but let's get to these in just a second. Alright, so I love cracking open boxes with y'all, so let's get this thing open so we can see what it looks like. I haven't even opened these. Stussy, ooh, you get this fire gridded paper here. It's going to be a whole design on this paper, I'm sure. Alright, let's see. Ooh, yeah, these are hard. These are hard. All black, you know what it is. these are crazy. The hemp is nice right off the bat. Yeah, I really like these. These are cool. Now I have something else to wear with the black cats. I could switch it up and wear something else other than the black cat 4s all the time. But yeah, Air Force One, Stussy, black. Alright, man, let's finish this thing off by detailing these shoes. Last time, Stussy, Air Force One, black, size 12. You know what that means. That means it's mine. These are definitely not the fossil pair. Those were available on Stussy.com. Did not come up on those. Did come up on those from Bow and Arrow from Cali, like I mentioned. Double swoosh on the middle here. Love that. That's definitely hard. Stussy embroidering on the toe box. Love that. That was very interesting. If you can't really see it on camera, but it is there and it's hard. Emblems on the back with the string that's stitched in. That definitely gives it a little luxury aesthetic there. I think that looks good. It's an all black shoe, so I don't know how much luxury aesthetic you're going to get on these, but definitely hard. Stussy, always love their logo on their t-shirts and everything with all the cities in there, even though they don't have a Houston location. But yeah, those are hard. Those tongue logo is really dope, so really like these. It's very simple, obviously an all black shoe, because he's going to give me criminal activity jokes every single time I wear these, no doubt about it. But I will definitely get some wears out of these. Like I mentioned, it'll let me take a little break from my Black Cat 4s, and that's something I appreciate for sure. But yeah, again, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching all the podcasts, all the episodes, everything. In Casita's words, ain't no half-stepping. Appreciate y'all watching. We'll catch y'all next time.